Imagine a repair material, simple yet revolutionary. Its true origins might completely surprise you. Today, we reveal the hidden history of duct tape. This ubiquitous tool saves countless DIY projects, but its birth was not in a hardware store. It emerged from the urgency of World War II. Prepare to discover this everyday hero's true story. Our journey begins in 1943, during wartime. Vesta Stoudt worked at an Illinois munitions factory. She noticed a crucial problem with ammo boxes. Boxes sealed with flimsy paper tape often failed. This exposed vital ammunition to damaging moisture. Stoudt wrote President Franklin D. Roosevelt himself. She proposed a strong, waterproof cloth tape. Her letter landed on Johnson & Johnson's desk, specifically at their Permacel division in New Jersey. They quickly developed a new, fabric-backed adhesive tape. It was made from strong cotton mesh, coated with polyethylene. A powerful, rubber-based adhesive was then applied. This innovative tape was olive drab, matching military gear. Soldiers called it duct tape for its waterproof qualities. It truly earned its stripes securing ammunition crates. After the war, soldiers brought duct tape home. Its incredible versatility found new applications immediately. Builders soon discovered its value for HVAC systems. They used it to seal air conditioning and heating ducts. Contractors requested the tape in a bright silver color. This change led to its modern name, duct tape. The shift from military green to shiny silver was complete. A household repair staple was officially born. Today's duct tape comes in many colors and patterns. Its uses extend far beyond simple duct sealing. From temporary car repairs to elaborate crafting projects, astronauts even used it to fix a moon rover. The Apollo 13 crew famously used it for critical repairs. It remains an essential item in every toolbox. Its adaptability proves its enduring global value. Understanding duct tape's origin reveals innovation. It shows how necessity truly sparks invention. From wartime needs to everyday home fixes, this simple tape embodies ingenuity and resourcefulness. Its legacy empowers countless DIY solutions daily. Next time you grab a roll, remember its history. Simple fixes often have profound backstories. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.